How do you earn so much for doing this? Like, because you sunny day, good boating weather for wild thing. But it's not going yet. I'm waiting on some parts, waiting on some fittings, waiting on some welding. So gotta wait. So I think while it's half decent weather, I should probably give it a clean. The thing's pretty filth. Look at that, it even comes off. So I could see how this thing cleans up. It's got moss growing in it. It's disgusting. So while I'm waiting for some parts, I'm gonna clean it quickly, which probably won't be the most entertaining thing, but it's got to be done. So I thought I'd better show you it dirty and then show you it clean, or clean-ish. And then if it's a wicked boat, like crazy fast, I could put like a wrap on it, but I'd have to keep the wild thing because wild thing. Oh, I've already got leaves in here, but that gets steamy and hot, hey. But I've cleaned it best that we can do at the minute. Clean the engine, just hot wash is mint. Obviously it still has a yellow tinge, but it should clean up. Like if it's wet somewhere, like I rubbed there, it does get white. Clean the engine, notice didn't cover the old butterfly, so now it's water injected, so that's good for it. That is though a lot cleaner. Been sitting I think for like 5 years, so it shouldn't take much to be cleaner. That's a lot of crap that come out of there. It's gotten blocked like 5 times. That'll bilge, yeah, it's still blocked as it is. That's gross. Yeah, pretty dirty. Highly recommend a hot wash. Well, it's definitely whiter, so that's a bonus, eh? That is definitely cleaner, so I'm happy about that. Sat around for a bit. I do wonder if it's been near a fair bit of angle grinding or cutting. I think that's all rust. Haven't really come off. I wonder if CLR, calcium lime and rust remover, will get it off. I'm gonna try it. And how entertaining is it for me to tell you how to clean a boat? It actually motivates me a lot more now that it looks better. But yeah, I think I wouldn't even cut with me 5-inch on my boat, let alone I think it's happened. And hello, good for it. My stainless is all ready to go. Heck yeah, I'm pumped. Water into heat exchanger is go. Boost pipe from turbo. Welds are looking good. That one fits in here. I might get in the boat. These welds are looking spicy, Riley. Same fella who built my tail shaft and welded all that, welded my stainless. Thanks, mate. Get that one in there. So this is really good on this boat. This is really finishing things off. And here is my water pump. So coolant side of the motor from water pump runs through to heat exchanger. She's a bit of a pipe, this one. And it should fit, should fit in to, and that's a yes. So we're on to water pump here. Wraps up and around, and then you can't see it, which is nice, which is what I was after. Up over to the heat exchanger. So that is coolant side from the pump, or to the pump I should say. And then on this side, once it goes through the block, we got thermostat over here, expansion tank, and then that fits to coolant side of the heat exchanger here. And this here, I didn't explain it real well, is the out of my raw water that I'm gonna run in some 50mm pipe back out to the back of the boat through that exhaust pipe down there. I'm glad that one fit. That one was awkward to make. So we're getting closer with pipe work. And the boat's clean. Next is button this all up and do the wiring looms so I can start on the key. And then it's pretty well taken on the water. We have ventured out with this boat, but not on the water yet. As you see, there is no wiring here. you probably hadn't seen that there was wiring there, but we are tidying this thing up. We're with wiring tech of Barra. Yeah, making things work. So ECU's gonna go up there. I'm gonna cut this auto plug off from the BTR that's still there. Just make things pretty in general.
Stuff everywhere. Yeah.
Here it is, you're running a real show here, aren't you?
Yeah, so we got.
So here's me little relay box here.
Everywhere.
Here's a loom that's getting tested to be sent out again from Barra. Callan, I believe this is. Just a quick bench test. Thanks for using Barra. Appreciate it. Yeah, you nearly done?
Yeah, close.
And a wild thing should be ready to at least turn key, get some power to things. And we'll use, just a couple of switches for bilge, and the rest will be on here. The rest will be on this key, is the plan. And that'll be wiring done. So here I am doing wiring, and yeah, I'm not good at this, but I need to cut all these off to make pretty. That was some entertainment, guys. Man, I know wiring. Look at that. Now, I know you guys aren't going to appreciate this, but finished. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And give us your wiring diagram, mate.
You want me to record it so you don't forget it?
I got this. Quick update. I've made some wiring prettier. It's about all done. I'll clean it. I did lighten my race boat because I might take this racing at some stage. And look at all this. Look at that.
What do you mean, might?
Feeling good. Yeah, might. Sorry. I'm going to take this racing.
We're going to go
Thanks.
win.
Hold me to that, everybody.
Go and win some.
Meanwhile, Dan's still working on the one box that we'll film
Does
before.
anyone in Bobby World remember what colour is fan 1? I can't remember.
Fan.
I'm using the fan output because I don't need fans on this boat to be my temp light. So when I get a light on the dash, I can set that temperature. We've got 2 electricians working here on this boat tonight. And I was doing it, and I did sort of struggle. Struggle's a big word. Struggle's a big word, but I definitely wasn't nailing the soldering, which normally I do nail. I'll film it next time.
I'll just put this together.
I'll film my next soldering job. Don't you burn my boat, Adam.
Go away.
Anyway, so I'm paying way too much for this wiring because I've got 2 electricians
And
here.
if we use the fit out gun, it'll come up nicer.
How you going with it?
It's a shame if I burnt the GoPro.
It would.
Bring it over here, I'll burn it.
The fans
that's
wouldn't
getting
like
hot.
it. Oh, it's a bit warm on your little fingers, is it? How do you earn so much for doing this? Like,
Because you.
why is this worth so much, guys?
you couldn't
Why is this worth so much? A bit of brazing, a bit of soldering. Now, the tip here, guys, is you don't heat it up so much when you're putting the heat shrink on it that you melt the solder back off the cable.
Yeah, that seems like a good tip for viewers.
Finish the box yet?
Yeah, box is done, just doing the ignition, mate.
Nice.
Yeah,
I did similar to that in the boat.
And the nerve of him to even comment on something.
Give us a look. Give us a
That's where all
look.
the solder
This
went.
is what I did. See how much solder's on that? The GoPro won't show it.
What'd you use, the jigsaw or the circular saw to do that?
Personally, I was using the 300mm droppy. Idiots. Not too hot, Adam, alright? 300 degrees, remember?
Oh, don't feel me.
Here's the wiring I got for the bilge. Should be ample. Just wait for Dan to get out of the way.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Still working on my bilge.
Sorry about that hold up.
Oh, this is fancy. He's finished his nice little box of goodies. Record time too.
After that.
What do we got? PCM, starter motor, fuel pump, and I think bilge. Guess we could.
Yeah, you can cross that out.
I wasn't reading it. Oh yeah, it's got a sticker inside for what's what. And all that is sitting up under here is my plan. Battery connected. Happy days. A bit of a mess here with wiring, but it's all running to the front. I need a cable tied up under there. I got like 12 volt, bilge, fuel pump, and then key and switch here. All hooked up nicely, ready to go. And if we're any good, mainly Daniel any good, it is my turn, I guess. Should start or turn over. I don't have fuel pump. And what else can we see work? Pedal will work. Should.
So far tonight, Bobby's done about as much as Matt did on the Pintaro.
Ouch. I have definitely come here for Dan's help. for wiring. That's what I came here for tonight. So we're good. And just on that, I'm thinking about it. Like, all right, put the earth over here. Put the active on the starter motor.
5 minutes.
We can cut out all the existing. Need I repeat myself? Look, all the weight we pulled out. I mentioned this before. We did put a fuel pump on it so we can actually hear that prime, which will happen right now.
Didn't do much.
I don't have much on
Have
key.
you got on there?
The battery's got power?
Yeah, well, yeah.
We just used it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Bear with us. Oh, so you're not joking, it actually doesn't work.
Doesn't go.
I'll be honest, this is our bench test. Normally we do bench test. What do you think it is? You wired it like a car.
I want it like a car.
This is a boat.
Yeah, that's why it didn't work.
It's a boat, man. What are you doing?
Nah, because normally I use the ground trigger off the ECU. So we'll just change what we've done here.
Ah, so you've got no earth.
I've
To
got
the
two
ECU.
Positives, correct.
Yeah, you'll see fiberglass.
two positives don't work.
Don't make a negative. Fiberglass isn't conductive, damn, like a car
Yeah, so.
earth. 12 volt stuff.
Small.
I couldn't have wired it, but I'll take the piece. Right, we fixed another trigger that was positively switching or something. Bit over my head. But it need to be earth.
That don't feel very good.
The boys. Holy dooly, we're hitting everything. Heck yeah, it starts on the key. It's official. We got fuel pump. Sick. Thank you very much.